Shucks, wala tayong matangkad.
Hindi ba si Francis sabi?
Francis!
Palit ka muna ang damit, dali!
Francis, sab ka!
Bibihis ko siya. Lalo lang kami, oh.
Hindi ba alam yung dalawa?
Alam.
Ayun, ang in-check.
Ay!
Uy. Anak ba? Lord.
Alam ko si Michael may sakit. Gulat ko, akala ko hindi counted yun eh. Sabi ko, what? Gulat ako ah.
Huwag ka no.
Huwag ganon, rep!
Sobra sa kape ito.
Gulat ako ah.
Bawitan!
Wow, ulit! Hi, madam.
Yung maingay sa baba, ha?
Ay, baba.
O sige, bababa ako. Wala kayong video.
Hey. Rebound.
Nice.
Ay! Ay, mali. Ay, mali. Ay!
Ay.
All yan, all the way yan. All the way. Hey, sayang. Nananaya mo na, Ref. Ref, nananaya mo na. Ito talaga. Open na eh.
Pagod na si
Uy!
Out, out.
Rafa, bawi, di ba?
Your ball, your ball, your ball. And energy.
Energy burner.
Energy, ha? Umakit pa si ano, kamama. Si Rafa.
Nando ka na. Naka na.
Rafa. Rafa. Fake and go back. Go back. Nice.
Nice pass! Shoot! Ay!
Go, Rafa.
Hi, Kuya! Hi, Ate Tren. Hi, Kuya Jacob. Tren, wanna come sit down here? Here.
Kita mo. Umaga pa yan eh.
This one.
Defense. Ready, set.
Just let go. Just look.
Bravo.
Go. Give it, give it.
Back up. Somewhere.
Ready up. Ready up.
That's how this is like grade 7.
Give the ball to your
What?
man.
Ano yun?
Papa. Ready pa pa.
Ha?
Hold it. Hold.
Oh.
Go left, go left.
Liam is here.
All the way.
Ay. Up! 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 Yes!
Pang bumabawi ngayon ah.
You want some snacks?
What do you have? Did you guys never go home?
No, we haven't been home since
Mamalita sila.
8:30.
Dalawa.
Wait, Jake, Kuya, you guys want some snacks?
Nakulay naman eh. Pwede naman.
What is this?
Yeah.
Did Dodo have it this morning?
Yeah, we had two.
He went?
9 o'clock and 12 o'clock. Yeah, they were.
Nice.
Ayan siya na, pwede yan eh. Ay, white pala.
Same, same. Gray, gray. Same.
This is a one weekend I can actually watch.
You didn't work?
No, I worked this weekend.
Mahulugan madam.
I don't know if they were gonna watch. I was like, come on.
Yeah.
I love that.
Huh?
How did you get it?
What? Oh, I know he does. It tastes like bueno to me. Right? Ang sabi mo? Akala ko nagmura ka pa. I'm like, what? Nice!
Manang mas tatay.
Video ba yun ng tatay?
Go, 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 go! Ay!
Gosh, hapa.
Milan dito.
Did you guys go to La Roca last night? How come you guys went home? I was surprised he was home early.
Class was done by like 12.
Oh my.
And
What?
we
Ash?
were only sober once, so we have to take everything.
Oh, 'cause you were home early.
Yeah. Oh my god. Who knows? He was like laying on here,
Yeah?
and then he kind of rolled his head up and went like this on the table.
Oh my. Did he got kicked out?
No,
Oh.
he took him out.
That's crazy. I'm surprised this one didn't go. Why didn't you go?
Everyone that went to was standing with.
Well, he was tired too. He had work.
Sure.
What? What did he say?
On me.
But you literally went to. That's okay. He didn't invite me.
Labasan
His
dalawa.
sister invited me.
Oh.
Yeah, it wasn't fair. So both of this.
That's why like you were like, how come he
No,
went
I'm
and then
sister.
yeah.
Yeah.
Francis!
Let's go, Francis.
Go change, Francis.
Look, you can't
Oh my.
Look at him on the car ride over.
Tik na
This is
coach
his
ko.
first time drinking ever.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, that's probably
Yeah.
why too.
Oh, check him up. Oh, yeah. That's a foul.
Aren't you guys cold? You guys are wearing sweaters.
I don't know how they're not wearing a jacket.
Oh, and then this one's like, oh, I'm sick, mom. I'm sick. Who? Why?
Because of your rapping.
Oh.
Me and Alexa.
Well, why would? Oh. Ooh. Where is Toto? Oh, that's Bryce. This is where Bryce is.
It smells like Rylan when he was
Keep
like-
going, Dax.
What's Uber's record?
They lost one. Sis, anong record natin ngayon?
Go.
Anong record natin? 3-1? 4-1? 3-1, 4-1. Somewhere running around. Guy, I made that sandwich that you like. With lots of mayo and mustard. Yeah. There's juice in there too.
I'm okay. I don't know about that.
Yeah.
Tumalun lang.
You want some?
Tumalun lang.
Good. Erica, baka gusto ng mga bata.
Tumalun lang siya.
Yeah.
Madaling itawag yung junk doon. Thank you po.
Oh, gan Trin. Thank you. What happened?
Kids are coaching.
Huh?
Kids are coaching.
Who is it? Huh? Who's coaching?
I don't know.
Who's coaching?
Assistant si ano. Anak niya.
Sino ba nagko-coach?
Caleb.
Tsaka si Francis.
France.
Is that how you were trained? Wait, is that you?
Kaya po marami si Mari.
Iba nga tayo pinag-uusapan.
Ha?
Baka iba yung pinag-uusapan.
Patay tayo dyan.
Papunta McDonald. Ano? Papunta McDonald. Ang play.
You like my
Eh, defense naman.
You like it?
Nagkata yung defense.
I'm getting used to it.
Good, good.
Getting,
Yeah,
and then kanina, like, because I'm used to going like this, right? And then I took it off, and I was like this. I was like, shit, no. I was going like this to the phone. I'm like, no. Yeah, I was like, no.
Pinaka pa. Number 3.
Is there enough mayo and mustard for you?
Where do you get this bread?
Or Sobeys?
Rafael, shoot!
Nice. Go check over there. Running around.
Kita pengi roast na.
Oh yeah, ito.
Ako talaga yung hihina. Again?
There's Jeb. Huh?
Yeah, 69.
Oh, then go put gas and I'll transfer you because you should have went by our house. It's cheaper there. How's my baby Rebel? I miss him.
Thank you, raw, tita.
Welcome.
Why were you guys up at 7?
Toto had a game at 9. I had to make snacks and feed them breakfast.
I got scared for a second.
Why? You had work?
No. Yeah, I was like, I had to work. And it was like
Stop
6 in the
it.
morning. I was like, where's the rebel? And then he was gone. Did someone take you?
Hands up! Hands up!
Up.
Hey!
Whoa.
Change. 10 minutes. Change players. Left change.
Sub.
Eric Rafael! Go!
Left change.
Subs already. It's 9:36.
Hey, sub.
Di pa yata na.
Dead ball na kanina eh.
3
Dead ball.
seconds. Sub.
Sub.
Rap and hit. Kick out, Rap. Ay, si Michael daw. Pagod na si Michael.
This is Rafael.
Pagod si Michael.
Gray ball.
I think he's gonna be the tallest.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Maybe I don't know. You never know. He might hit
Hopefully.
I don't beat the odds.
I hope so. I know. That's for me, I think.
Yeah.
Mama's short too.
Yeah. Their jeans are good.
Yeah.
Box.
Nice.
Penalty na sila.
Ibalik sa rally 3. Anak, ano ba yung natutunuan naman? I don't know where they get from. Hands up! Wala.
Wear this hat every day.
Only one.
That's not even his hat.
Only one I don't have to do that.
Yeah. There's one more there.
No, go round. Ano, Rafael? Let's go, Gray. No foul, no foul. Watch your hand.
Did you guys eat at home?
Yeah.
Get it, guys, get it. Anak, don't look at the ball.
Up, backward.
Go, Abo.
All the way, Abo.
On you, Abo. Kulit ng dalawang coach. Mapapaawa yung coach.
Mata-technical yung coach.
Baka nakalimutan nilang coach. Go, Abo.
Where did you guys see Jeb? That way. Yeah, it's probably there.
Ready up. Ready up. Ready up.
5 seconds, 5 seconds.
Yes.
Ready up.
Go, 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 go.
No foul. All right, out. Go,
Run, run, run.
Go, push it. Go.
No, I told him to ask you tomorrow.
One more, Bryce. Jolly up.
Yeah.
Easy shot.
Down, 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 down.
Excited na.
Excited.
KD up, boys.
Gusto tapusin dito. Go, Liam, go. Volley, 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 volley.
Go, boy.
Ay, boy! Ay! Ay, ay, ay.
Board, anak, board. Board, board.
Closer
Ready
ka
to
na.
get it. Just stepped out of bounds. Nice,
Boy, Jake. Toto made
Reverse pa ni...
Toto made your signature move today.
Hey, foul.
Oh!
Go to the ball, boy. Down, 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 down.
No press.
Yeah. No, it's just.
Go, Abo.
Trent, can you give please the water?
Grab a ball.
Please. Yeah, thank you.
Go, Michael. Iba ka nare-recruit. Go, Michael. Push. Oh, get it, Micah. Get it, Micah. Ah, ay, Bobby. Right there.
Ay.
Nice try, Michael. Rafael, listen to the coach, Rafael.
2012.
Come on, Rafa.
No.
Purple, go, purple, purple.
No press.
Rafa, no press.
Purple, go, purple.
Energy, Rafael.
Get your check, guys.
Call your check. Call your check. Hands up.
And one.
Kita namin yung fouls na. Dati na foul! Government name! Government name! Hindi pa pala natutulog yung mami. Kailangan pa
It's the only spot I've worn all.
Saka bili ka ba ng
Huh?
The only thing I've worn all.
It's nice though. It's nice. I bought it.
Get it, Rafael!
I bought it. Well, no, I bought it, but because we were already there. No, 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 no. Yeah. They didn't have it at outlet.
Hey!
They had one, but not the one with the gold. Ah, boy!
Umami na ako, mami kanina. Get it, Kaya!
Uy.
Rafael, what's that? Hands up!
Oy.
Oh!
Rebound! 3 seconds.
Rafael, How high?
I,
Jump,
Oh,
jump.
ganun lang. Oh.
Deep. Backs out. Parang backs out. Nakatingin na siya.
Bakit?
Hey, rotate the ball. Rotate.
Nice.
Yaman! Muntik ka pang mamiss.
Nice play, guys. Take one, even. Wala.
Tahimik.
Walang support yung mana yan. Tulog ka, tulog.
Mukhang pagod sa Christmas party ah.
Sumayaw pa yan. Sumayaw pa.
Ay,
One more.
What happened? What happened, Bella? Hey, your tracks! Get your tracks! Go naman!
Run!
Kapay na, run!
ah, boo boy.
Let go.
Nice! Love it, Rafa!
Go run!
Ay, follow your shot.
Hey, someone's shooting already. You have to go in. Go defense. Full court.
Abay, ulang pa ba yung defense? Defense press again.
I didn't see because I was rushing. I just saw the spaghetti, but that you ate.
Who did you work with?
A little bit. 4 hours.
High!
Bakit ang maliit ang nasa ilalim?
I know. Oh,
Okay, guys, no more fooling around.
Come on! This is not practice!
Go, get it. Hustle.
Not practice! Real game! Grabe na pa may iwan. Nice!
Go, Ito, go!
Ay,
Eh, pagkakita ba?
Running?
first half,
Yeah, it's good
and then
for
the last,
Go.
something like that, 3 or 4.
Hey! Open!
Okay, let's go!
Okay, last shot. 30 seconds.
Go, guys, make it count.
Last shot. Go in time.
Alam namin!
Did you get my Christmas gift already?
Yes, I did.
Did? Are you done already?
Just dad and the kids.
You know what?
You got mine already?
You know what I can't wait for?
Like, great!
When we're moved in and I don't gotta shop and then I can just put my name into whatever's just
Energy! Actually? You're shooting that way.
We're shooting that way,
now.
though.
The other way. Yeah, that way.
I don't know if he does that.
Yeah, the one you're here.
focusing.
Down. Upper only. 15 na lamang niya. No defense.
Nice.
Run, boy, run!
Go!
Run!
Tutulak ka tuloy. Yeah!
Down.
Get down, man. No press.
Run, boy, run!
Go, Liam. Shoot.
Liam.
Shoot.
Cut, boy, cut! Cut!
Alam.
Boy, cut!
Oh my God!
Hit the ball.
Oh lordy.
Shoot, anak. Ay, layo.
1 foot out of the spot.
Mababa ang ano. Napaw.
Foul. Ay, anak.
Ay.
Pao nga.
Ay, siya.
Yeah, boy.
Boo boy!
I would never do that.
Cut!
Okay, I need a favor. I'm gonna do
Just
this
watching them.
like manually because it keeps on thinking. Can you hold this part?
Rafael, practice backs out.
Teamwork, guys.
Check it
Teamwork.
out.
Hindi na practice to po. Hindi practice yun.
Practice niya.
Rafael, backs out! Ayan.
Where's your...
Backs out! Rafael, backs out! Back!
Ay.
Ano? Ayan! Sayang yun! Yeah! Umawi na lang daw, back in. Back in na lang.
No, yeah, just for that.
Nice.
Woo!
Good shot.
Liam, you can do it too. Liam, you can do it too. Go!
Go, boy.
Come
Come on, boy.
I know, right?
Ay. Finish, man.
Rebound, anak. Rebound. No foul.
Get the ball!
Get it. Pressure. Get it, Rafael.
Go, 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 go.
Ayusin mo. Easy. Yan.
Ayusin mo.
Kasi nalaro-laro ko na.
Oh, nilalang.
Paano?
Nilalang niya.
Parang sumasayaw na. Grab it. Grab it. Oh, that's so open. I know.
See the ball, see the man.
Hey, hindi yung kaya na. Come on. Bakit wala na yung dalawang out? Okay.
Nag-walk out.
Videographer. Videographer na yun. Shoot ba yan, anak? Oo. Buti na lang. That's good. Okay, pressure.
Dax, Kuya Jacob's calling you, Dax.
Back out, Rafael.
Go, push!
Look up.
Dali!
Go, Liam, go!
Easy. Ay.
Get it, Rafael.
Go, one more, Liam, one more! Give it to Liam!
Ay, nako.
Mark ka na naman. Ay, nako. Dapat totoong game to, ha? Umisig ako.
You know why? There's a video there. That's why they're doing it.
Rafael.
There's Toto.
Go, run, run!
Hey,
They had to train.
how was your game?
We're gonna go shopping.
Shoot, Rafi.
Nope.
Rebound.
Oh, sorry. No, I'm saying nope for.
Ano nag-rebound?
So you hate me. So everyone hates me.
Naglalaro din yung kalaban nyo.
Go!
Why don't you work with your brother?
Dali, shoot! Have the power within you, Liam. Get it! Oh!
Go, Ethan, run!
Come on, Rafa, bawi. No foul. Shoot, anak. Come on.
Oh.
Naupo na yung dalawa. Nagkusaw yung dalawa. Rafael, move! For your check.
Go, Emo.
You can do the same.
Don't reach, don't reach.
Anak!
Nice, nice.
Grab right! Ah!
Go in front!
Nice hold it! Hold! Isn't it foul? Go, Rob!
Ay, buboy!
Hindi na makapag-migil yung mami buboy na. Get it, Michael!
Where's your defense?
Boy, let's go!
Come on! Defense, guys! Mamaya! Pag nakashoot na.
Go, Emo, go! Wow.
Lead nakakakuha ng foul. Yung mga malalaki natin umiiwas.
Ay!
Rafael, what was that?
Nice.
Come on, Rafa. 10 na naman. 10 na lang.
Play, play.
Hey, no more playing!
Just play.
Ala.
Ano yun?
Come on! Nauubos yung patience ng parents dito, guys.
Ay, sos.
Get it, guys! Get the ball!
Boy, just play. One boy.
Riva, hold
Go,
it!
push! Sino may hawak ng diretso?
Ayan,
Go, two boy.
see? Get it! Ayan, airball. Hey!
Naka-chable na si Lalim.
Go, Michael! What's that? Habutan kayo, bahala kayo.
Where's Alexis? She has a game?
Coach,
Go, go.
time out ako. No foul, no foul.
Oh.
Let Michael laban!
Oy. Go call him. Rylan, go call him. Say, boy,
What are you gonna tell?
boy.
The patience is going down.
Lower limit.
Kuya's want to talk to you.
What the? Oh boy. Just cut, man.
Comedy ka rin eh.
Standing still.
You're the one who called?
I wasn't calling him.
You guys kept saying, boy, boy,
Wow,
boy,
tactical.
boy, boy.
Rafael, get it! Here, come on! You're gonna score!
Hey, let's go!
Score! It's not practice!
Go! Full court, full court, full court!
Defense!
Defense!
Defense! My guys,
Hands up, hands up!
that's good.
Get it! Get it!
Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
Go, boo boy! Ay.
Too low, too low. Full court, full court.
You can press.
Press, press, press.
Yeah, you can press. You can press.
Finish that.
Wow.
Oh, God.
Which one?
Over.
Press the button. Is this open jacket?
Yeah. Is it, what size is it?
Buboy, tatawagin ka ulit ng kuya mo. 342?
Ah!
Yeah.
That's
Big one.
boo boys.
Oh, breathe. Buboy, natin namin mo. Tawagin ka na uli ng kuya mo. Sige.
Ay, hindi kailangan pala naka-video doon.
Oo, kailangan may ganun.
Oo, ganun pala yun. Oh,
Ay, sos!
lalong wala.
Yes, yes it was.
Boy!
It's okay, Coach Sean. Yes, it's okay, Coach Sean.
Ha?
Coach Sean. Coach Sean. Go, Coach. Ready ka ba?
Go, go, go! Push!
Go,
Go, go! All the way, don't stop!
Go, sige, pupal ka na. Yeah! Good job, Abel! Go, Coach Francis!
Dalawang ras.
Ay mo si Coach Swelter. Sabi ni Coach
Ha? Right? One of them.
Mismatch na kayo. Mismatch kayo.
What was your country? You ever play so bad? What?
Your goggles, Bryce!
Oh.
Where are you going?
Ay, nako. Too easy, guys. Let's go.
Properly! Oh yeah, I remember that. Properly!
Ay, ay, ay.
Go, Ethan! Ah! Clear!
Ganit pa, ganit pa, ganit pa!
Defense! Defense! Go, Liam!
Ay!
Go, Ibo!
Hey, Tabo! Hey! Go!
Gray, let's go!
Okay lang. Hindi na maabot.
Properly!
Defense, defense, defense!
Play properly! Come on! Defense! Defense!
Go in front of him!
Go!
Hinahabol niya.
Last up, Liam!
Hey!
Liam! Liam!
Go!
Ah!
Outside, outside!
Ah!
Rebound! Get it, Liam!
Get it, Liam!
Go, go, Liam, go!
Michael.
Oh,
Ay, sus. Come on, Michael. Edwin!
Ito pala, may foul.
It's so open na.
Gusto may foul.
Huh?
One more, Gray, in.
Ha?
May ebidensya ba?
Oo, kita. Just joking lang. hindi ka kita.
Go, Michael! Rebound! Rebound!
Did you guys leave lights on for Rebel?
Defense! Defense! Go, Dia!
By the time we get home,
Hey. Able, no foul, Able. No more foul, Able.
You know, there's this.
you're so dumb when you do that.
You know, sometimes when I'm just talking to Jacob, he'll go to me, and I'm mid talking, I'll just go like that. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? Like, he flicks my mouth, and my mouth's wide open.
Good, good.
Go, Able! Alam niya matangkad. Power,
Oy.
Power!
Closer, closer, closer.
Defense, carry Liam! Nice one!
Oh! Ay, ay, ay.
Very good.
I was watching our game, and every time I did that, I just hear mom laughing at me.
Go, Liam, take it.
Liam, shoot! Rebound!
Go!
Power pa, Liam! Power! No foul! Go get it,
Help, help,
Michael!
help. Stay in front.
Nah.
Right, run, right.
Come on!
Go, go, go.
Good drive! Go, Bryce! Hold it, grab it! Get it! Get it, Tita! Get it!
Oh!
Hold
Shit.
the ball!
Go in front of him.
Defense, 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 defense!
Closer.
Oy. Let it go!
Go! Run, Liam! Time to shoot, Liam! Easy!
Malaki pa, malaki.
I know! Oh my God!
Go in front of them. Go.
Go get it, Bryce! Get it, Bryce!
Go.
Easy!
Go.
Ah, get it! Pass!
You know
Oh my
what?
God.
They make the same kind of scent. They just change the name. I don't know, but if you ask them, if oh, what? So stupid. You're so dumb.
Kasi Papa
It'd
mo.
be weird if I do know this time.
Hindi na.
Yeah, your ball, your ball.
Ray ball.
Your ball.
Mom, what's the gift I can give mom and papa?
Bryce, just go!
How ridiculous.
Oh my God.
I don't know. I got them a gift combined. I got them a gift combined already, too. What I got them? It's
My mouth is wide open. He's just getting my
Middle, middle, middle.
Turo ng turo tong Bryce.
getting my teeth.
Pass!
come on!
Spread out, guys. Spread out. And one.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Yeah. what do you do?
Ala! Take one! Breathe!
You guys are dumb.
Rafael, box out! Rafael, hindi ganyan ang box out. Ano ba?
Paano nga? Paano? Ay, para ka na unggoy. Come on!
Stop. That was so wet. I felt it.
So gross. sounded kind of gross.
Rice. Rice. Properly. Box out. Proper. Box out. Get it. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Go,
Run,
Ethan, run.
run. Get going. Get going. Foul. Get it. Get it.
Hey, tabo!
Good day!
Go! Go!
Go!
Rebound! Boy! Baba yung mga maliliit. Rafael, go inside!
You chop better than me. You chop better than me. Because I don't chop, I just play straight up.
Hey, get your check!
I guess getting haircuts before Christmas.
Yes.
Pressure! Pressure!
Wait!
Ay, sabo! Ay! Dito kay Rep. Nanonood.
Did you guys eat rice at home? Marlon, Jake, did you guys eat rice at home? And please tell me you guys cook rice.
Rafael, ang kami score!
Screen! Screen!
Nice! Oy, foul!
We haven't been home all day.
Shoot mo yan.
I'm
Rafa,
hot now.
shoot. Forward.
What?
Forward. Shoot. Ay! Rafael, shoot! Hindi ko na alam makashoot. Tama! Shoot down!
Yay!
Okay, plugin mo sa tita.
Kailangan pala full name.
Eddie up! Eddie up! Eddie up! Get it! Get it, boys!
Go, boys!
Ay, ay, ay!
Ay! Come on!
Laro pa eh. Yung panira na ni...
Up! Isa pa!
Ah.
Get it,
Go, go, go!
Get it, get it! Defense!
Ay!
Go, go,
Go, go, boy!
All the way, all the way! Volley up!
Nice look.
Yes! Sabi ko sa'yo, Leah, may shot mo yan.
Videographer pala, tutok doon sa kaya. Si Caleb eh.
Yeah?
Untapal din. Hold!
One boy.
I think.
Let it go, run!
Or maybe
Bila,
five.
bila. Oh, bigay.
No, wala. Not ready, not ready. Nice!
Oh!
Wala yung videographer. May bayad yata.
I don't want to like look at it.
Mamaya ang shoot na puro paa.
My lips has his finger on it.
Puro pa.
Puro paa. Wala yung tira.
Oy, trouble. Bye-bye. Pagtalikod din, no? Understood mo? Bye-bye. Punta mo na po. Ano ba ito? Papatuloy mo.
Ay, ah.
May pag-uwi mo naman daw eh.
Hey, come on! Shoot it! Rafa. Ani anak, pani.
Bakit? Mababa?
Go, Michael! Go, Michael!
Uy.
Get it! Get it, Michael, get it! You can do it,
Asa pa sa
Michael!
poli. Go, go! Hold it, hold it.
Ow! So,
Kolokoy talaga, anak mo. Kolokoy talaga. Oh, last shot, last shot.
Sa kanila pa.
Last shot.
Take it, take it!
Ay, wala